Guys, thanks for tuning in to this video. We're in a Cayenne 958, but I guess the little guide that I'm going to show you here is going to work on any vehicle, really. We're going to start the Porsche here, put the key in, and we'll just turn the radio off for now. Okay, when we've been pressing this button here, the demister, I'm going to put it on now. So that's what it should sound like. However, when we've been putting it on previously, it's been giving like a paper shredding sound, like which is obviously really annoying. Now what we found, it took me a day or two to realize this because it's a new car to us. Get a toothpick and just basically scrape it down the front of the vent, in between the windscreen and the vents here. And what we managed to find and dig out was a load of used parking tickets. So that's what was causing the annoying sort of paper shredding sound that we've been getting in this car, and it was really driving me mad for a day or two until I figured out that's what I need to do. So now when we put this on, you get the exact sound that you're supposed to hear when putting the windscreen demister on. May help you, may not. If you are getting that paper shredding sound or the crackling sound, then I do hope this helps.